Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. As you all know, my name is Alexei and this is a new video on my channel. Last weekend, I was able to finally film my car with a drone. It was not me who was filming, it was my friend. And I just want to show some of the footage from there. So I hope you guys like it. The first footage is just us shooting the car in next to the campsite where we were camping. So take a look at that footage. And the other footage was of us racing car with the drone. We were on the road and the pilot was sitting inside of the car and he was racing the drone and I was driving the car. So take a look at that footage. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Alexei and this was Driving Approach. Bye.